And also there is Bro Fahmi too, who have joined us our class. So untuk teman-teman, if you want to get the certificates of our program, that you could check on our group this way. As you see, Sislesha has sent on our group ya. Jadi Sislesha sudah mengirim link sertifikat nih, alright. Jadi teman-teman bisa mengikuti beberapa langkah ya, bisa mengikuti beberapa langkah cara pengisiannya ya. Isi form sertifikat sesuai arahan dalam form sertifikat dan juga jangan lupa kirim di akhir pengisian form sertifikat. Dan jika upload screenshot ditolak, server boleh lewati dan kirim screenshot ke WA admin ya. Jadi bisa dikirim ke nomor Sislesha teman-teman ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa klik copy pada form tersebut. Jadi jangan langsung diklik di WhatsApp ya teman-teman ya. Teman-teman copy terus di paste atau ditempel di Google Chrome ya. Or maybe there's another browser like a Google, itu juga bisa teman-teman, that you could get for this one. And that you could fill about your name. Teman-teman bisa isikan nama lengkap, terus tanggal pengisian, bukan tanggal lahir, email, ya kan, dan juga foto di support of the things. Itu fotonya bisa foto ketika teman-teman lagi belajar ya, bersama-sama di kelas Zoom ini. Nah, that you could send about that things nih, basically. Right? So, support of our final exam. Jadi untuk final exam kita akan re-explain about that. This. Ini dia. Untuk final exam yang di Zoom terlebih dahulu ya teman-teman. Dikarenakan ada dua jenis, yakni Zoom dan juga social media. Jadi untuk yang di Zoom, teman-teman bisa ceritakan beberapa topik ini dalam 1 menit, seperti introduction, hobby, numbers, time, and dates, daily activity, describing person, family, articles, movie, mini exam, my future dream, and the last one, school and past tense. Silahkan pilih salah satu atau salah dua dari sebuah topik tersebut. Nah, semisal teman-teman pilih hobi, silahkan ceritakan hobi yang teman-teman miliki selama 1 menit ya. That you could tell us about your favorite hobby during 1 minute. Or if you don't have any idea, teman-teman bisa gunakan cincin topik yang ada di modul kita dan teman-teman tinggal jawab aja. That you could use about that ya. Or maybe if you choose about movie, silahkan ceritakan film yang teman-teman suka ya, yang sering teman-teman tonton atau mungkin genre yang teman-teman sering tonton juga. What's your favorite genre of movie like this one? Maybe that you prefer comedy or maybe horror. And also, if you want to message about your favorite actor or favorite actress juga bisa ya teman-teman ya. Dan teman-teman bisa juga menyebutkan aktris atau aktor favoritnya siapa. That you could say it about that nih. Or if you want to choose about family, ketika teman-teman pilih family, teman-teman ceritakan keluarga or describe your family juga boleh teman-teman. Jadi bebas sekali. Kalau describing person bisa mendeskripsikan semua orang ya. If you want to describe your favorite actor or favorite actress itu pun juga boleh by the way. Jadi bebas untuk describingnya. Or maybe if you choose about daily activity, berarti teman-teman mencoba menyebutkan beberapa kegiatan teman-teman ya, the support of your daily activity for this one. You could say it's about this. Itu untuk yang di Zoom ya teman-teman ya. Dan yang untuk di sosial media teman-teman mencoba menceritakan that you try to tell us about perkembangan teman-teman selama belajar di speaking partner. What about of your progress ya? When you try progress teman-teman ketika belajar bahasa Inggris. Mungkin progresnya adalah mengetahui perbedaan antara present tense and also past tense like this one. Or maybe that you know it's about how to make make sentence for advice ya. Jadi teman-teman tahu bagaimana cara membuat kalimat ketika ingin memberi sebuah saran itu juga boleh ya teman-teman. That you could make about the things nih, exactly. That's why it's really free for this one ya. Oke. Jadi seperti itu untuk final exam kita besok teman-teman. Kira ada yang mau bertanya atau masih kebingungan untuk final exam kita that you could ask about that nih. Jadi besok tinggal kita final exam aja. Dan untuk teman-teman yang pilih sosial media, besok tidak wajib masuk ya. Jadi yang wajib masuk adalah teman-teman yang memilih Zoom. Beda lagi kalau teman-teman pilih dua-duanya ya, itu wajib masuk nih. Jadi teman-teman mau pilih salah satu atau mau pilih dua-duanya nih. Oke. Any questions so far about our final exam? And which one that you choose it? Teman-teman bakal pilih yang mana? Apakah pilih yang social media or that you choose Zoom ya? It's up to you for this. Okay, is that clear? For our final exam, that we should have it tomorrow. Okay, right. So if that clear, let's get started. So what is our topic today, teman-teman? Nih, guess we're gonna try to talk about music. Jadi hari ini kita akan berdiskusi tentang music. So I'm gonna show someone who are gonna play about something. Nah, jadi akan ada seorang yang akan menunjukkan bakat dalam bernyanyinya, teman-teman. Nanti tolong teman-teman kasih ya. Please try to give comment about this our friend performance nih.
isn't a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for the faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live, I live alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just want to live, I live alive. It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live, I live alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just want to live, I live alive. It's my life.
Okay, so what do you think about this song ya teman-teman ya? Especially about this singer. What do you think about his talent like this one? Buat teman-teman gimana nih? Talentnya, if he wants to join singing competition, apakah akan lolos? Does he pass the singing competition or not? And as a judges, what kind of thing that you could give here, especially for the command? Or maybe Bro Fahmi, what command that you can give to our friend performance? I think maybe this is Kafa.
Maybe
What
not.
command? That you don't have any comment for this one?
Maybe not.
Action unit.
Okay. Yes, Bro Fahmi, apa? What command that you could give
Action
here?
unit.
Hmm.
Pemberian host.
That is about of the Indian action. That's a really unique air for this. Okay. There's only the accent that you try to give. There's a really unique one. And
For the competition, maybe not.
hmm, okay. That's a really nice, Rovami, that you have given command to our friend performance. And how about you, Sis Mimi? What command that you
Um,
could give to our friend performance?
Overall, it's funny, but I don't recommend it to be singer.
Okay, it's nice command there that you try to give to our friend for this one. Okay. And how about Sis Beta, maybe? What command that you could give to our friend performance?
Maybe he needs to give extra expression.
Hmm. Extra
And
expression?
yeah, because he doesn't give the expression, and he has to improve
Hmm.
his singing and give the power to when he is singing, I think.
Hmm. He's singing for this one, yeah. Exactly, yeah. Okay. It's nice, it's better. Nih. Or maybe it's Ani. What command that you could give to our friend nih, about his performance? Nih? Okay, that's a part of the things that you have tried to say it before nih. And also, what kind of singing competition did you ever watch ya? Untuk teman-teman mungkin ada yang pernah menonton lomba bernyanyi. And what kind of singing competition did you ever watch it? It looks like American Got Talent maybe. Have you ever watched it? Mungkin ada yang pernah menonton American Got Talent, or maybe that you have ever watched this another singing competition on your social media or maybe on your TV. And what singing competition that you ever watched it there? Kira-kira kompetisi bernyanyi apa yang pernah teman-teman tonton? What is it? Or maybe that you really like Indonesian Idol, that you follow all of the Indonesian Idol series like that. Mungkin teman-teman ada yang mengikuti semua bagian Indonesian Idol like this one ya.
Yeah, but
Mm. What singing competition? Did you watch it, Bro Fahmi? Indonesian Idol? Did you follow it about that? And why do you like watching singing competition like Indonesian Idol? Kenapa nih suka nonton Indonesian Idol?
I like music.
Mm-mm. Because
Just
that you
watch
like
it.
a music, yeah. That's why that you could say it's about that things basically, yeah. Okay, it's nice. It's about that, Bro Fahmi, that you have tried to mention about that you really love Indonesian Idol so much nih. Yes, music is a part of your life nih. Okay. And now so this I'm gonna give you about these questions nih. Because we try to talk about music nih. Do you like to watch music? Why do you like to watch music? Kenapa teman-teman? Let's watch music by the way. And how do you enjoy music? Bagaimana cara teman-teman menikmati musik nih? And who is your favorite musician? Siapa nih kira-kira musisi favorit teman-teman nih? Okay, maybe that you dare to answer about this. Kita dia mau coba menjawab pertanyaan ini ya teman-teman ya. That's about music nih. Maybe that you have your favorite musician or maybe that you want to mention how do you enjoy the music? Bagaimana cara teman-teman menikmati musik teman-teman nih? Or maybe Sisviana that you want to answer, do you like to watch music and why? Or maybe it looks like Sis Beta, do you like to watch music?
Yes, I really like to watch music.
Mm-mm.
Uh,
Why?
I because I like to listen to music.
Mhm.
And the music can make my feeling and happy.
Mhm. And how do you enjoy music?
I enjoy music. Oh yeah, by using headset or speaker maybe and turn on the music with the extra sound,
Mhm.
full sound like that.
It's why that you try to enjoy the music by that things, yeah.
I like the listening music with the loud voice, everything
Or
loud sound.
and also, who is your favorite musician?
My favorite musicians are Swipe and Ryan Adams.
Sure, it's
Yes,
about that. Nih. And when did you start listening that your favorite musician?
sorry.
When did you start to know your favorite musician? When you were teenager, or maybe when you were as kinds of kids that you know it's about them? Kapan nih
When
tahu
I
mereka
was
semua?
when I was teenager,
Oh, when you
I
were
watched
teenagers.
the I watched the from television.
Wow, that you watch them from television, yeah. That's why that you know or that you find your favorite musicians like them. Nih. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
it's a really
yeah.
cool about this one. Says better that you have tried to answer it, yeah. And
Thank you, Ryan.
you're welcome. And also, how about this Kafa? Do you like to watch music and why? Or maybe it looks like a Bro Fahmi? Do you like to watch music and why? Or maybe if Sis Mimi, do you like to watch music?
Yes, I like watch music.
And why do you like to watch music nih?
Music make my mood.
Mm-mm. Okay. Make your mood better like this one. And how do you enjoy music?
Uh, I listening music when I drive.
When you drive for this one? And who is your favorite
Mm-mm.
musician?
I like India.
Huh? Sure. India, that's your
Yeah.
favorite one.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a part of the soloist, yeah, that you know it. It's only that's Indonesian musician that you like it. That you prefer Indonesia or local than Western, yeah. But this is Mimi, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. It's a really cool this movie that you have tried to mention about your favorite musician, ya. Jadi there's a part of the things ya teman-teman ya. When we try to talk about music, ya kan, and also that you try to put about your favorite musician, and also that you could say it about how do you enjoy music, bagaimana cara teman-teman menikmati musik yang sering teman-teman dengarkan nih, that you could say it about that. And also when we try to talk about music, exactly, nah, it's about the music that you could find it about the several musician, yeah. and that you could mention about the several genre that you like it ya. Pasti teman-teman tahu beberapa genre atau aliran-aliran musik ya that you know it for this one. And later we are gonna have about breakout room. Nah, kita akan punya breakout room dengan topik teman-teman akan menyebutkan idola teman-teman ya. Please try to tell us about your idol nih. The support of our breakout room topic nih. Nah, the support of our breakout room topic. That's where we're gonna have it. Nah, jadi untuk breakout room kita topik, we're gonna have it about who is your idol. Siapa idola teman-teman? Dan idolanya nanti bebas ya teman-teman ya. Jadi idola nggak melulu orang yang terkenal ya. Mungkin idolanya adalah orang di sekitar teman-teman juga boleh. Atau mungkin the support of someone that's so really close with you. Atau orang-orang yang sangat dekat sama teman-teman itu pun juga boleh ya. And why do you like him or her? Kenapa teman-teman menyukai dia ya? Nah, either it's chance of him or maybe her. And what do you want to do if you meet your idol? Apa yang akan teman-teman lakukan jika kamu bertemu idola? What do you want to do if you meet your idol, by the way? Jadi teman-teman bisa menggunakan beberapa jawaban ini nih for this nih. You could say it about that nih. Jadi ada tiga ya teman-teman ya. Who is your idol? And why do you like him or her? And what do you want to do if you meet your idol nih? Apa yang akan teman-teman lakukan ketika bertemu dengan idolanya? Mungkin ketika temu idolanya teman-teman ingin that you wants to ask something to your idol or maybe that you wants to ask autograph. Mungkin ada yang mau minta tanda tangan juga. Atau mungkin that you wants to take a selfie. Mungkin akan ada yang take a selfie with your idol. Itu juga teman-teman boleh. Bukan nih. Just try to tell us about that things ya. It's to your idol nih. Dan sekali lagi teman-teman. Untuk idolanya bebas. Semisal bukan orang yang sangat terkenal. Juga diperbolehkan nih. Oke. I'm gonna share about that question on our chat. Nanti silahkan teman-teman diskusi ya di breakout room. About idol nih. That you could discuss it nih. Okay. So let's get started about our breakout room. And we're gonna try to talk about idol nih. Let's get started about our last breakout room. Kita mulai breakout room terakhir kita teman-teman. And that you could discuss about the idol with your friend. Okay, so we're back again on our main room. Let's get started. It's about our 1 minute challenge. Kita mulai 1 minute challenge kita hari ini, teman-teman. That's why that you could tell us about who is your idol and why do you like him or maybe her. Kenapa teman-teman suka dengan idola tersebut? And what do you want to do if you meet your idol? Apa yang akan teman-teman lakukan ketika teman-teman bertemu dengan idola teman-teman ya? Mungkin ada yang berani mencoba that you dare to try about 1 minute challenge that you could open your mic and tell us about that ya. Nih, kita lihat siapa yang ingin berani mencoba menceritakan the support of your idol that you could open your mic and tell us about that things. And if you want to describe about your idol too, that you could describe it about that ya. Jadi kalau ada yang mau coba juga untuk mendeskripsikan idolanya, itu pun juga bisa nih teman-teman. Once more, idola nggak selalu orang yang sangat terkenal ya. If you want to mention about your idol, is a part of your role model, itu juga bisa. Mungkin idola teman-teman seseorang yang sangat dekat dengan teman-teman, itu pun juga boleh. And that you could tell us about your idol nih. Kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba nih? Wow, that we have about Bro Fahmi. Come on, Bro Fahmi. That you could tell us about your idol, who is your idol, and why do you like him or her, and what do you want to meet your idol? Kira-kira idola Bro Fahmi siapa nih? That you could open your mic and tell us
Okay.
about your idol.
Justin Bieber has been my idol ever since I was a kid. You hear me? Right?
What idol? That you could answer about this one?
Justin Bieber has been my idol ever since I was a kid. I was a kid.
And then why do you like him?
I like him since he was young, and I think his last album saw a lot of growth in his voice and style.
And what do you want to do if you meet your idol?
If I meet my idol, I want to take a selfie and ask for an autograph on my favorite hat.
Wow. And what's your favorite song from
It's enough.
GB
Thank
or
you.
Justin Bieber? Okay. Let's ask about this one, bro, for me. That you have
Favorite
tried to.
song?
Mhm.
Lonely. Lonely.
Wow, Lonely, that's your favorite song ya. Okay, this next probably that you have tried to tell us about your favorite singer ya, especially Justin Bieber. That you like him since you were young ya. Okay, and that you know him like this one. Also about the style that you like it, and also about the song too. Okay, that's a perfect answers about that nih. Oke, teman-teman kira-kira siapa lagi yang berani mencoba? They should get to try to tell us about your idol ya. Untuk idola teman-teman. Oke, Sis Ani, silakan. Who is your idol? And why do you like him or her? And what do you want to do if you meet your idol?
Okay, thank you, Bro Yudis.
Hmm.
I like um, idol Mahalini.
Mhm.
Why do you like him? Why do you like her? Because Mahalini has a melodious voice. What do you want to do if you meet your idol? I'm asked for an photograph and I want to take photo selfie together Mahalini.
And when did you know it's about Mahalini nih, Sis Ani? Did you know it since she was an idol? Or maybe did you know him? Did you know her because of her viral song like this one? And how did you know it, Mahalini?
I like song Mahalini. Sesal.
Hey, it's about all the things, yeah, that you know it. Okay, that's nice about this one, says Annie, that you have tried to tell us about your idol, especially Mahalini, yeah. Okay, and also that you try to
Okay.
put about why do you like her nih for this nih, because of her voice that's a really melodious for this nih. Okay, so that's what it goes about that, says Annie, and also Bro Fahmi, that you have tried to tell us about that. Don't forget, tomorrow it's our final exam, ya teman-teman, that you could prepare it about that. That's why if you choose about social media, please try to tell us about your progress during learning process. But if you choose about Zoom, di sini ada beberapa topik yang bisa teman-teman ceritakan untuk yang di Zoom ya. Jadi kalau teman-teman pilih hobi, silahkan ceritakan hobi yang teman-teman miliki selama 1 menit. Terus if you choose about school and past tense, teman-teman ceritakan tentang masa-masa sekolah yang teman-teman miliki, mungkin makanan favorit ketika di sekolah, pelajaran favorit like this one, or maybe there's a part of your school that you could describe it. And if you choose about movie, ketika teman-teman milih film, silahkan ceritakan film favorit teman-teman dan seberapa sering teman-teman nonton film kira-kira ya. Okay, thank you teman-teman that you have tried to join us our class. Don't forget tomorrow is our final meeting ya. Besok final meeting kita, prepare it yourself. There's only 1 minute. That's why I want to know it's about your result ya.